Hence, the majority of, you can say, the pharma companies like have now making it a target of like having carbon neutral by 2030. In that, there are two pharma companies, it's like Merck and Novartis, like who have already planned that they will be going carbon neutral by 2025. And one company, Pfizer, which has also targeted that they will be reaching carbon neutral by 2030. So most of the pharma companies are targeting to reach that particular direction. And how they are going to do it, so the steps that have been involved in that pharma industry is more of like facility modernization with the help of, you can say, green concept or green concept. Right, so that construction, that manufacturing unit should be like more efficient and like again minimize the, you can say, greenhouse emission mostly.